In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how a student can navigate a Blackboard course site using the NVDA screen reader. For the first task in navigating using NVDA, I will be demonstrating how to get from the desktop location into the desired Blackboard course. The keystrokes used for this part include Tab, Shift-Tab, Shift-L, and Enter.
Start menu, search box, edit, search programs and files, blank. O. Items, new list, programs grouping expanded, Manila Firefox. Taskbar. B. L. U. Button, Blackboard Learn Manila Firefox, Blackboard Learn document, list, username, edit and autocomplete, blank. D. Star. Alert Blackboard not clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 1 item navigation open global navigation menu link navigate to element navigate out of list with 17 items top frame tabs link my institution 9/29 2016 link navigate what million 300 and course list link navigate to element course list on type H2 in 3 million out of list clickable course list heading level list with 5 items 2017 for fall mime a guide to UT online learning link Lays course link visited.
Now I will be showing how to use the global navigation region shortcut to demonstrate the navigation between courses in Blackboard. The keystrokes used in this portion of the tutorial include Tab, Shift-Tab, Shift-L, Shift-M, and the Enter key. Shift-M is what allows you to get to the global navigation region shortcut, which allows you to navigate between different classes in Blackboard.
Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 3 items navigate course menu link navigate to Lays course link navigate to element Lays course on type H3 in 3,326 out of navigate menu XDB home 1 of 1 posts 1 of 1 updates activity updates 6 retention center 1 of 1 my grades 1 of 1 calendar 1 of 1 courses submenu 1 of 3 list Lays course 1 of 1 ADA compliance and online courses summer 2018 1 of 1 a guide to UT online learning 1 of 1 2017:1 spring mime 4980 merged FTTP on Tretwen 1 of 1. Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 3 items navigation open global navigation 2 in 3 mil what's past you link navigate to element what's you link navigate to element what navigate menu XDB home 1 of 1 posts 1 of 1 updates activity spring Lays course 1 of 1 and that.
For the third task, I will be demonstrating the submission of an assignment in Blackboard. While in the course, you can always use Shift-L to pull a list of the web links and select the assignment you are going to submit.
Out of list clickable quick links heading level list with 3 items course menu Lays course visited link out of list clickable navigation landmark Lays course link this DIY projects visited link DIY out of list clickable quick link list with 3 items navigation project to access project out of list clickable list with 5 items link type project 3 uploader out of list clickable quick links heading level 2 list with 3 items navigation out of list content link navigate to element content on type H2 level previous item next item graphic right submission collapse browse my computer button file upload dialog file name combo box collapsed edit all 10 blank file mod type open button cancel button address desktop toolbar desktop slipper search box edit command module namespace tree control items new list library file name File not tab. Open but cancel address. Search box. Command namespace tree control tree new. Desktop expanded 2 on 2 level 0. Level 1 library expanded 1 on 3. Level 2 documents collapsed 1 on 4. 2 locations but items new list 9 5 6 7 Campania 3 on 4 Campania Studio Claro Cat Claro Custom Download Fax Kessie 11 MATLAB My pictures items new list camera roll not selected 1 on 5 header name split button 091 on 4 file upload dialog file name file not type open cancel address search box command module namespace items new list. Camera roll not selected. Saved pictures 2 not PNG 3 on 5. HQ default. Proof of comp. Upload assignment. Project free accessible PDF lays. Mozilla Firefox. Upload. Column. Content editor. Content. Out of table. Save draft button. Submit button. Content editor. Press.
In the 5th task, I am going to write a journal in the Blackboard course site.
Out of list clickable quick links heading level 2. List with management options visit. Course menu. Visit. Lays course visited link navigate. Out of list clickable navigation landmark lays course visited link collapse lays course heading expanded level 3. DIY projects visited link. Journals link. Visited. Journals link. Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 3 items. Navigate. Out of. Action. Out of list clickable list with 1 item action plan link heading. Action plan. Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with actions for content. Out of list clickable actions for content page. Menu bar create journal entry link. Create your title edit required for autocomplete blank. N. Content editor 2. Content editor. Bang. Path grouping. Deal. Browse my computer. Cancel button. Save entry as draft button. Post entry button. Application.
For the next task, I am going to demonstrate how to participate in discussion posts in the course site.
Out of list clickable quick links heading. List with 3 items navigation video. Course. Lays course visited link navigate to element lay. Out of list clickable. Link. Discussions link. Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 4 items. Actions for content page link navigate to element actions for content page on type H2 in 3,300,000. Out of list clickable action. List with 1 item. Application. Property. Total posts. Unread. Reply. Total. The lounge option. Forum. The lounge lays course. Clickable heading level 1 open quick links. Menu button submenu mark submenu link all. Clickable quick links heading level 2. List with 3 items navigation navigate. Out of list with 12 items forum. Action. Out of list clickable actions for content page heading level 2. Menu bar create. A. D. Content table. Content editor. Press Alt F10 for toolbar. Press T-D. Dot. Path grouping. Browse my computer button. Cancel button. Save draft button. Submit button.
In the last step, I want to show you how to access the gradebook and check your grades in Blackboard using NVDA. In this step, in addition to the tab key, you can also use the up and down arrow to navigate the readable text area.
Clickable quick. List with menu. Visit. Lays course visited link navigate. Out of list clickable navigate. List with. Learn. Grade. My grades lays course visited link lay. Content visited link navigate to. Out of list clickable content heading level 2. Clickable order by. Top list with 7 items. Link out of list item last act. Link video captioning quiz. Test. Done 13, 2/5. Action plan DUE. Journal. Done 13, 2000 graphic in progress. Link module 1 into the discussion. Done 13, 2 graphic needs graded. Module 5 put it all together in the discussion. Upcoming. New button submenu. New description. Menu button submenu. Grading criteria 2.0/5. Weighted total. Menu button submenu. New description. Start.